Hey guys, my name is Bobrix, and today we have something a little bit different. It is an ice cream shop. I built it with my little brother Paul and my cousin Astrid. It has a shop where you can buy ice cream, a back area with freezers, a little road where small trucks can drop off supplies to make ice cream.
In the back area there is full of ice cream and a cookie jar. If you go up the stairs to the roof, you can sit and enjoy your ice cream.
As you can see, we use many pieces from Lego Friends and elves to get the vivid colors that we need. On the facade, there is a biggie ice cream. On the sides of the building, there is a rating which is green, yellow, and dark pink. It may be a little low to fit into our modular city, but whatever. Today we have Deutschsprechender Peter from Quaxi.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
I'm in Denmark now, see you back in Brussels soon.